that is sure to satisfy your taste buds. Dot. Certainly. In addition to being a delicious dessert, champagne cake is also a cultural and symbolic food in Korea. The round shape of the rice cake balls is said to represent harmony, unity, and completeness, making it a popular food to share with loved ones during special occasions. Champagne cake is also a popular ingredient in other Korean desserts and dishes. For example, it is often used as a topping for shaved ice desserts, and can be found in a variety of other rice cake-based desserts such as tteokbokki, spicy rice cake, and injami, sweet rice cake coated with soybean powder. In addition to its traditional form, champagne cake has also been adapted into other forms such as ice cream, mochi, and even macaron. These modern twists on the classic dessert are popular among young people in Korea and around the world. Champagne cake is not only a beloved dessert in Korea, but it also holds a special place in the hearts of Korean expats and immigrants. Eating champagne cake can evoke feelings of nostalgia and comfort for those who have left their home country, making it an important link to their cultural identity. Overall, champagne cake is a delicious and versatile dessert that has become a beloved part of Korean cultural heritage. Whether enjoyed in its traditional form or adapted into new and innovative variations, champagne cake is a sweet treat that continues to capture the hearts and taste buds of people around the world. There's even more to know about champagne cake. In addition to being a popular dessert, champagne cake is also known for its health benefits. Glutinous rice flour used to make the rice cake balls is gluten-free and has a lower glycemic index than regular flour, making it a good option for people with gluten sensitivities or diabetes. Red bean paste used as a filling is high in protein and fiber, and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Champagne cake is also a versatile dessert that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. In Korea, it is often served as a dessert after a meal or as a snack with tea or coffee. It can also be enjoyed as a breakfast food or as a midday snack. One unique way to enjoy champagne cake is to toast it over an open flame, which gives it a slightly crispy exterior and a warm, gooey interior. This method is popular among Korean street vendors and is a popular snack to enjoy while walking around. Finally, champagne cake has become a symbol of Korean culture and a point of pride for Koreans around the world. It is often featured in Korean dramas and movies and has become a popular souvenir for tourists visiting Korea. It is also a popular gift to give to friends and family, especially during holidays and special occasions. In conclusion, champagne cake is a delicious and versatile dessert that is enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Whether you enjoy it in its traditional form or as an innovative variation, champagne cake is a sweet treat that is sure to satisfy your taste buds while also providing a range of health benefits. Certainly.